What has a tongue but cannot talk?
Yeah, that tongue in the girl them clitty can't talk, daddy. Say if me wrong, tell me wrong, daddy, but me believe for the clitty.
Wagwan peeps, believe you get for run off or the one off, but Wagwan peeps, you done here boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode, a trick question. Watch out the peeps, you can see by the background where they are Spanish town right now, you see me, and we are got you and ask some question. Hold on. Cut it. Wagwan peeps, you done here boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of the questions. So watch out the people, this is episode 5 and right now we're there now. Wait, I nearly say half a tree. I don't know why I love half a tree. But right now we're there in a Spanish town, as you can see in the background, you see me? So we are asked 2 questions, we do an old question as we do, same procedure like last week. You see me? So one thing to do is like up the video. You see me? Click the like button. May I give you 5 seconds to click the like button right now. Alright, big up on yourself people, you don't know your boy Jnel, so we are going to move right now because you don't know the vibes there. You know, we are trying to, you know, we don't move too fast, but yeah. I'm going now here. Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel. So I have a small announcement. So this video was shot on February the 7th. You see me in Spanish town, but however things never go good technically because the mic, you know, was giving a few problems during the starting of the video. But throughout the video, you know, we continued to, you know, try to make ends meet, but we had to end up leaving the location before time. So this video, you know, it's not like 100 like the other videos. Hope you guys still, you know, appreciate, you know, us trying to edit it and to put it out same way, even though it's not fit to go out for us. You understand? So I hope you guys, you know, understand the whole thing. And yeah, big up on yourself. You know, thanks for loving these videos and look out for the next video next week. Definitely next weekend, which will be I'm not sure. Probably like the 21st or something like that. But big up on yourself, peeps. You don't know your boy Jnel. Thanks for watching. And there's one more thing. Hit the like button. Yeah. First thing why just give me a name. Big up in the general.
Shenil. Yeah.
Sean.
Yeah man, Buba. Yeah man.
Oh, you get that name then?
I'm from my band, me have a name the man. Them say me a general from my band, so them just give me a general name.
Buba.
Yes sir.
Romari.
Ricardo. Yeah man, Samson Creative Barber.
Philip.
Ray Crushan.
Alright, my G, so you don't know the people know you already, but more you introduce yourself same way.
From another branch, you know it's icon to the flipping world, you know it's the Cox. You know, so watch out, know everything shot, everything part, girl I get with Jack. Jnel TV represent Spanish Town.
Alright, the first question, right? How many circles does a square have?
How many circles does a square have?
Square not a circle, brother.
How many circles a square have?
How many circles does a square have?
How many circles does a square have?
How many circles a square have?
Yeah.
How many circles a square have? And a circle and a square.
Yes, sir.
None of them not did them, man.
None of them did it. Circles does a square have?
A square don't have a circle. How many circles a square have?
How many circles does a square have?
How many circles a square have? A triangle, a rectangle, a square. What are you talking about? Square or circle or what? I'm not sure. I don't remember that one day.
Boy, if you don't get
Square. I don't know. After I don't know. How much circle?
Yeah, there's a square have.
But circle not on a square. Right?
Circle on a square.
Circle on a square.
Alright.
Square not a circle, brother.
Sure.
Positive.
Square can have circle, brother.
Sure.
How many circles does a square have? Think about it a little bit. Brother, square can't have circle.
How many circles a square have? Oh! Me I think about the square as in like, you know when you talk about square root 2. 2 are the answer? Cause you know like square? No?
How many circles does a square have?
A square now have circle.
That if you say,
Oh.
how many circles does a square have? Square and a circle, brother.
I remember that one day.
Listen again, you know.
Yeah.
How many circles?
No, you have to show it. You have to show it. Yeah, but you have to show it up and go see it. Yeah, but you are going to one that shows that, yo, this is a square, how much circle you have, right? This is a circle, how much you have. You see me? Some more, you understand what I say?
How many circles does a square have?
How many circles a square have? Right now, I swear to God, a square come like a triangle. What? So, to the full 100, I don't know which part it have square. But me can tell you, so I feel like a one square. Cause check it level. It have 3 corners. Must be mad in barrage. One left and one you get what I say? And then, what you know? You don't care no square, dada. You don't care no circle, dada. It just care 3 corners, dog. You get me? What you know? You know a crux this is, so when me I tell you my answer, dog, you have to get the real thing about it. Spanish town there, me I tell you, so what you know? How many corner a square car?
How many circles does a square have?
How many circles a square have? Right now a square no have no circle, dog.
You corrupt! You corrupt!
If a rooster lay egg on a roof, which way the egg go roll go? Rooster can't lay egg, brother.
Yo! Big up on the damn self, you know. Yo!
Never respecting them, bro, guys.
Support your channel, yeah?
Yeah, man, respecting them.
Big up yourself, you see me?
Up top in the machine.
Rooster can't lay egg.
Cool, man.
You see that?
If a rooster lay egg on a roof, which way the egg go roll go?
It depends for the roof set.
I don't know if rooster can lay egg. Rooster can lay egg, rooster is a rooster, and a rooster no hen fall or nothing, you know. So when a rooster can lay egg, you see what I say?
If a rooster lay egg on a roof, which way the egg go roll go?
A rooster.
Lay egg on a roof. Which way it go roll go?
That roll off on the roof.
Rooster can't lay egg, yo.
Yeah, what going on? Rooster no lay egg. Hen lay egg, brother. Up top.
If a rooster lay egg on a roof, which way?
Rooster no lay egg. Rooster no lay egg.
You know that one there?
Yeah.
You talk a roll off on the roof. That's not.
Sure.
Rooster lay an egg. Oh, rooster can't lay an egg. Soft.
Alright, big up in the VG. If a rooster lay egg on a roof, which way the egg go roll go?
Boom, cleat that one hard Jnel, me not tell a lie. But when me check your level, if me lay an egg on a roof right now, it's supposed to hatch. Bring me a son or a daughter. You get me? Me not gonna tell a lie. You believe in that, trust me. But what you know?
But if a rooster lay egg on a roof, which way the egg go roll go?
Well, the egg go just sit down in a car. Listen, you know, the rooster goes to bomb and lay an egg on the roof. But to the full 100 as a gangster, me go give the drama when mother say. You say if it was a hen, lay an egg on a roof, God know, if it was an egg, if it was a hen, lay an egg on a roof, mother say it a go hatch. But rooster can't lay egg, dog.
Yeah.
I swear. Rooster can't lay egg, dog. I tell you.
They say, can't none at all.
Rooster can't lay egg, dog. God know.
Alright, yeah man, I get that one. Yeah.
Jnel TV, me representing the car, make me be a star, you know. I swear, and watch you know, I love the station, because watch you know, people know about ICAN and know about my good things in that Spanish town. Look over there, sir. Video over there. I KFC that man. Over there, me send me girl go get chicken. Free chicken for me girl them. So all of me girl them who want chicken, just come link icon and say free chicken. Me then hear KFC now in Spanish town. And the delicious chicken this. Them nice, them lovely. So every girl want chicken, can come link me and say free chicken. They have to get chicken daddy.
Right, next one, right? What has a tongue but cannot talk?
Pussy cat dog. Basically, that's it.
Tongue. Shoes, man. It's my clocks have tongue there, man. Can't talk. Can't talk.
Your shoes, soft. Your shoes, soft. Shoes.
What have a tongue but can't talk? What have a tongue?
What has a tongue but cannot talk?
What have a tongue? Shoelace.
My pussy. Pussy, my friend. Pussy can't chat. I can't say shoes tongue. Yeah.
What have a tongue? Vagina.
What has a tongue but cannot talk?
Hey, yo, me no want cuss nobody on Jnel. I crooks like this. Yo, believe me, when me come here, what have a tongue and cannot talk? I swear to God. Me feel like say it's a cow. Me feel like it's a dog. Can't be all a puss, cause puss go meow. You get me? But believe me, one tongue. Me know we can't talk. I the girl them tongue. Me wrong or me right? Hey, a crooks, you come in a dog.
What you say? Yeah, big up.
You see, you call a tongue the clitty. The clitty, you call a tongue the clitty. That can't talk, daddy.
You say clitty?
Yeah, that tongue in the girl, them clitty can't talk, daddy. Say if me wrong, tell me wrong, daddy. But me believe for the clitty.